Most Ninja blenders look powerful, but 2 of 2020 SIX's top 5 actually waste your money. Which one crushes ice like a beast? And which one fails? I'll reveal number 3 in 10 seconds. Stay right here. Number 1. Ninja Professional 1000 Watt Blender. After multiple rounds of testing, we believe Ninja's standard blender is its best option. It comes with just a large pitcher that can hold up to 64 ounces of liquid, but 72 ounces of ingredients. To us, the lack of accessories is a plus. Some Ninja products have quite a few extra blades and attachments that can be cumbersome to store. Another feature we love is the simple, 5-button interface. There are no speed presets, just low, medium, high, and a pulse setting, so it is super intuitive to use. We love that the lid locks into place, making pouring easy, safe, and mess-free. This is helpful when pouring cold smoothies or hot liquids, especially since, in our testing, we found out that blending in this machine adds a bit of heat to food. Our butternut squash soup came out hotter after the blending than when we initially poured it in. We found that ice isn't super consistent when blended in a professional blender, and a small chunk or two may be left in a smoothie, but otherwise, this is a powerful option for someone looking for a solid, no-frills Ninja blender. Keep in mind, though, that it is quite tall. With the pitcher and lid on top of the base, we couldn't fit it on our counter under the cabinet. Number 2. Ninja Nutri Blender Pro with Auto IQ. Like the Ninja Professional Blender, this one doesn't have any extras, but after we tested it multiple times, it has proven it doesn't need any. This is a super powerful blender for its size, thanks to a 200-watt upgrade that Ninja recently put this model through. Plus, its Auto IQ feature adjusts the time and speed based on what it's blending. It took an additional pulse or two to fully blend fibrous kale, but every other smoothie, soup, and salad dressing we mixed with the Nutri Blender Pro came out smooth. Of course, because of its size, we wouldn't recommend this option to a large family making lots of protein shakes or acai bowls. But we do love that it comes with an extra 24-ounce cup and 2 travel lids, so you and your partner can each take a smoothie on the go if you want. Number 3. Ninja Blast Portable Blender. Ninja's blender range not only includes the Nutri Blender Pro, which is small, compact, and great for one person, but it also offers a blender that can blend on the go. We tested the Blast portable blenders and made smoothies, salsa, and more, while outside, in the car, and in other places. The battery lasts for 15 blend cycles before needing to be recharged. Although we had to shake the entire machine in between several 30-second blending cycles, thanks to nut butter, kale, and other thick ingredients, this blender combines Ninja's blending capability with portability well. We love that the base is water-resistant, and it can fit in a car cup holder perfectly. The lid has a sipping spout, too, so the whole thing doubles as a cup. We wish the charging cord were a bit longer. Otherwise, however, this blender is a good fit for anyone with a hectic schedule, such as college students looking for a quick smoothie in between classes, or someone wanting to make a super fresh salad dressing at Friendsgiving. Number 4. Ninja Foodi Power Blender Ultimate System. This Ninja blender and food processor combo machine is a dream to test. It includes multiple functions, cups, blades, and accessories that make it more than just a 2-in-1 appliance. It's more like a 4-in-1. Use the dial for manual mode, or one of 7 presets. You can even mix and knead bread dough with this Ninja. With 1,600 watts, the Foodi Power Blender and Food Processor Combo is one of Ninja's most powerful options, and can take on big batches of thick smoothies, nut butters, and 64+ ounces of ice for frozen margaritas with ease. We didn't notice any big chunks of kale, mango, or almond butter when making a smoothie bowl in the specialized cup, with the twistable tampers helping to blend. We were happy to discover several built-in safety features. The base has suction cups on the bottom, as several other Ninja blender varieties also have, that keep it stable on the counter. These make moving the blender a bit difficult, but during our ice blending test, we were happy that the machine couldn't rock side to side. Also, the lid for the large pitcher locks in place, and a button needs to be pressed in order to remove it. One downside of this blender is that it is very difficult to store. We mentioned that the suction cups make it hard to move it around, but all of its additional blades and cups don't have a designated storage container, and leaving them in a drawer can be hazardous. Number 5. Ninja Foodi Power Mixer. This immersion blender isn't as powerful as Ninja's other blender options, but it operates with a higher wattage than many of our favorite immersion blenders. It can blend efficiently thanks to the main immersion blender arm and the included cup that holds up to 3 cups, but it can also whisk. Then there is a handle attachment and 2 beaters that transform it into a hand mixer. We love the versatility this Ninja blender offers while still being relatively lightweight at just over 3 pounds. Since this blender requires more manual labor than other Ninja options, being easy to handle is essential. You'll notice that its 750 watts of power is lower than other blenders on this list, but you won't notice the difference when blending or mixing, since it is higher than other immersion blenders and hand mixer options. Plus, you likely won't be using this blender to make thick smoothies or to crush ice. That's the list. Links to every blender in description. Like if this saved you time. Share with a friend who blends. And subscribe for more 2026 gear. See you next video.